Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get verified on Substack. To get verified on Substack, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Substack website. Then enter your email and your email address and your password to log into your account. So once you're right into the account, these are the steps that you need to take to get verified. Now, unlike the conventional way of getting verified on Substack, Substack has its own unique verification process, and this is it. Substack bestseller, the verification badge is called the bestseller badge. Now, Substack bestseller badges are for writers and are based on the number of paid subscribers a publication has at that time. Substack bestseller badges are for writers and are strictly based on the number of paid subscribers a publication has at that time. So for you to get the bestseller badge, it means you need to have paid subscribers. You need to have paid subscribers on your post. Now, unlike a verification badge seen on other platforms, the only way, I should have make it bold now, bolder. Now, unlike a verification badge seen on other platforms, the only way to earn one of these bestseller badges is to start and grow. Start writing on Substack and grow your page on Substack. Now, a paid publication to hundreds. Okay, this is it. Unlike a verification badge seen on other platforms, the only way to earn one of these bestseller badges is to start and grow a paid publication to hundreds of subscribers. So ensure that you have made a post, and after making the post, ensure that it is set to only paid subscribers. Now, once you have a paid publication that has attracted hundreds of subscribers, that means you are in for the badge. Free trials and comped subscriptions are not included in the count for a bestseller badge. So you may notice different colored badges next to a writer's name. The purple color signifies tens of thousands of paid subscribers. The orange color signifies thousands of paid subscribers, and the white color signifies hundreds of paid subscribers. A badge can appear on multiple surfaces, such as the publication's welcome page, post byline, its Substack profile, or in the comment section. Now, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you how a post can be set to a paid post that if you want to earn the badge. In the left navigation menu, click on plus icon and select long form post to open the post editor. Let's say this is the post editor. Now, in the post editor, go ahead and write your post, the title, the body, and customize your post. Then at the bottom right corner, click on settings. In settings, here we have this post is for, ensure it is not set to everyone. So click on this option that says paid subscribers only. If you're seeing this thing, then click on turn on paid subscriptions to follow the prompt to turn on paid subscriptions. So once it has been set to paid subscribers only, then people will only have access to it once they have subscribed by paying a particular fee. That way, after growing the paid publication, then you will be heading on for a verification. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.